In this question, we have to solve an indefinite integration, and it is of the function that is 1 upon 1 plus e to the power x dx. Okay, let I denote it by I. To solve it, first of all, I am going to multiply and divide, okay, by e to the power minus x. So if you do this, you can see here, you should get in the numerator e to the power minus x, and in the denominator e to the power minus x into 1 plus e to the power x dx. Okay, now we solve here the multiplication in the denominator, and we get e to the power minus x upon e to the power minus x plus 1. Okay, now to solve this integration, we are going to make a substitution. I am going to replace e to the power minus x plus 1 by t, and we know that now its derivative should be, if we see here, then derivative of e to the power minus x is minus e to the power minus x dx equals to dt.